Hello, this is Marie Lundi, your trusted real estate advisor. And so many home repairs can be simple, inexpensive, and also do-it-yourself friendly. But if you need to call a pro to address some of these concerns, you want to stick around and listen to this video as I will go through some of the average costs of repairs of these items. Hey, by the way, if you've been enjoying my videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and also forward it to your friends. I hope that this information was helpful to you. I do work with a number of service providers in the area. So if I can help you with any recommendations when it comes to fixing some of your typical home improvement projects, please don't hesitate to contact me. Once again, this is Marie Lundi, here to help.